Good morning, children, and welcome back to the English class once again. As you know, we are running through the chapter number 6, how does the toothpaste get into the tube? And already we had started this chapter. The students are requested, you please open with me page number 45. Page number 45 of your English book. Okay, look at here. See, when the Lucius went to Paris to study, there he could see an artist. He saw an artist, and what was he doing? He was just squeezing the paint from metal tube on the paintbrush. And after watching these things, he thought an idea. And what was his thought? Why could the same type of tube not be used to hold toothpaste? And this idea he brought into his mind. Okay, and after this event or this incident, he rushed back to home. He rushed back to home and talked with his father. And also he gave his idea. And his father thought, yes, it was awesome. The idea was awesome. And however, there was just the little matter. And they could understand something. Then how could we put the toothpaste into a tube? And it was very difficult because the toothpaste you will draw out from the jar and put into the tube, and the tube has only little space for the open. There was a little opening, and this was the big task. So what do you think? How did Lucius and his father used to fill the tube, the toothpaste? You may be thought within using earbud, or maybe they need the help of tiny spoon or toothpick, but it was not so easy. It was the unexpected. Then how could they fill the toothpaste into the tube? In this line we can see that was a very difficult task for both the son and father, because the way the father and his team did it was without opening the cap. So without opening, you have to fill off the tube. So this was a very big task. Then they kept the cap screwed on tight and open off the other end, and it was definitely easier to fill a tube from the larger end. And after that, all they had to do was seal the end tight so that the paste will not leak. So this was the idea. Then they put the paste into the tube, and after that they closed. That means the paste will not leak through any side. So today we are getting the toothpaste which are filling by machine, but at that time people are used for that particular purpose or particular job to fill off the toothpaste. But today's the toothpaste we are using, it is filling by machine, but the paste is not filled all the way to the brim, because at the space, the top of the space, we can see some distance, some inch it should be emptied. Why? It should be emptied to seal off. The half inch is left that it can be sealed. When you open a toothpaste, you could see on the top of the toothpaste, you can see there is some distance or some little inch of emptied, and it is just for the seal. Now the tube is ready to be squeezed. Okay, so this is the story about a toothpaste, how it get into the tube. In the next video, we will discuss the exercise. The students are requested, please read out this chapter more and more time and try to learn the difficult words and note down in your copy. You can see the difficult words are here: tumbling, twig, invented, porcelain, disgusted, henceforth, squeezing, awesome, figuring out, brim, sealed. Okay, so this difficult word you note down in your copy. Keep the lesson name, how does the toothpaste get into the tube, and after that you can write the difficult word or word meaning. You can write, it is good you write word meaning and write these words. Okay, and revise this one. The students, I think this much is enough for you. Students, take care. May God bless you. Thank you.